the waist of this pants is too big with me, and I put elastic inside. If you notice this hole where I insert the elastic, that's why they're kind of stretchy. And the elastic that I use is this kind of elastic, or you can use a different kind of elastic, it's up to you. And then now I'm going to make another one. This is also too big with me on the waist, and I will make another one, and I'm going to show with you. I will make small hole to insert the elastic. Okay, like that. I decided to double the elastic. This is double. I sewed in this side because over time this elastic will lose. So to make it sure, double the elastic if you want, but mine, I want to double the elastic. I will be using pencil to help me to insert inside the hole, inside this. So before that, I need to insert first the elastic. Okay, I'm getting there. The elastic is inside now. It's inside now. So the next I'm going to do is I'm going to sew where the elastic is. In this side is the same procedure just like I did this side. It's all done. The elastic is already inside, and I also sewed both sides, so it's stretchy now. Now it fits with me. So this is how I made my pants when my pants is loose on my waist, and this is it. Thank you for watching, and you can leave a message on the description box, and you are welcome to ask questions to me, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.